Master the essential principles of high-level academic theory, the same fundamental concepts that power everything from self-driving cars to AlphaGo. To understand how an AI learns, we have to start with the Markov decision process, or MDP. Think of this as the rules of the game. In an MDP, an AI agent lives in a world of states, the different situations it can be in. It takes actions to move between those states, and those moves are governed by a transition model, which is basically the physics of the world. Finally, there's a reward model that tells the AI if it's doing a good job. But here's the catch. The AI doesn't just want a reward now, it wants to maximize rewards over time. This brings us to the discount factor, or gamma. If gamma is close to 0, the AI is short-sighted, it only cares about immediate gratification. But as gamma gets closer to 1, the AI starts thinking long-term, valuing future rewards almost as much as current ones. So, how does the AI actually find the perfect strategy? We call this strategy a policy. In this lecture, we look at 2 primary ways an AI thinks through its options. First, there's policy iteration. Think of this like a chef refining a recipe. The AI starts with a random plan, evaluates how good it is, and then tweaks it to make it slightly better. Because there are only a finite number of possible plans, the AI is guaranteed to eventually find the best one. It's a process of monotonic improvement. It never gets worse, only better, until it hits perfection. Then, there's value iteration. This is more like a traveler looking at a map. Instead of picking a full plan right away, the AI asks, what's the best I can do if I only have one move? Then it asks, what about 2 moves? It builds its knowledge step by step, increasing its horizon until it understands the value of every state in the world. Through something called the Bellman equation, the AI can mathematically prove it's getting closer to the truth. It uses a contraction operator, which is a fancy way of saying that every time the AI thinks about the problem, the gap between what it knows and the absolute truth shrinks. Whether it's a Mars rover deciding which rock to sample, or an LLM learning to give better answers, they are all using these same building blocks, evaluating states, discounting the future, and iteratively improving their policies.